Mary Page Keller is an American actress known for roles on television. Keller began her career on the daytime soap operas Ryan's Hope and Another World and later starred in a number of television sitcoms. She starred as Laura Kelly in the Fox comedy series Duet and in the show's spin-off, Open House. Keller later had lead roles in the short-lived sitcoms Baby Talk, Camp Wilder, and Joe's Life. In film, Keller is known for her performance in the comedy drama Beginners. In 2000s, she had recurring and guest starring roles in a number of television dramas. From 2014 to 2015, Keller starred as the mother of the lead character in the ABC family drama series Chazzing Life. As a child, Keller participated in productions at Toby's Dinner Theater under the direction of director Toby Orenstein. She later began her acting career on daytime soap operas. She played Amanda Kirkland on Ryan's Hope and Sally Frame on Another World. Moving to primetime, she played the part of Laura Kelly on two Fox sitcoms, Duet and its spin-off Open House. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.